Hey guys, it's Alex from WPTurbo and I would like to introduce you to all the tools we offer in order to generate WordPress code snippets blazing fast. Okay, let's go. So the first set of tools we offer is the generators. So you can check them out on this page, and there is a lot of generators to do pretty much things. You can create custom post type, you can check it right now, but you can do a lot of things. So for the post type generator, you can set all the data you need and it will be automatically updated right here. So we can change, for example, the text domain, project, for example, as you can see, it refreshes automatically. So you can define the post type you need. For example, if you need a video post type, you can set your description, the singular name, video and videos. Right here, it's generated automatically, and also the labels are automatically generated too, so you can gain a lot of time while creating a post type. You can browse all the tabs to add everything you need in order to get the code you need to create your post type. And once you're done, you can copy it, you can download it as a plugin, which you can install on your WordPress website. You can save it for a future use or add it to a project, or customize it with AI. So we are going to talk about those specific features after. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with classic generators. You have taxonomy, you can create shortcodes, you can add your custom own snippets if you want. You can generate a starter plugin with some specific features, for example, enable SVG uploads and so on. And as you can see, you can do a lot of things. One of our most famous generator is the theme.json generator for creating a blog theme. So you can add everything you need to generate the custom JSON theme.json file for your WordPress theme. So it was the first set of tools that are available on WPTurbo, and the second tool is WPTurbo AI, which as you can see is an online code editor where you can type code like this, but you can also ask a specific code snippet right here. So you can ask a customized code snippet, and for example, I can use the default prompt. So you can enter your prompt here, and as you can see, it will generate code on the go. And you can check the history if you need to go back to previous chats. You can also add new files. If you need to create a whole project, you can add CSS file, JS or HTML file. And for each file, you can ask the WPTurbo AI to fill the file with the code you need. And then you can also copy the code to the clipboard, save it as a snippet to the snippet library. You can download it and you can save it as a project for you to use later. So it was WPTurbo AI. Then on your dashboard, you can check all the snippets you saved from the generators or from WPTurbo AI. You can, of course, edit them, download, and view them. You can save projects, which are basically a set of files that are organized in order to create a project, maybe a theme project or maybe a WordPress plugin project. So you can check it right there. And also you have boilerplates, which is specific projects that you can use to start a new project. Okay, you can create a new theme, you can create a new blog theme, or create a simple plugin. We are gonna add more boilerplates in the future, so you can start many projects very fast. Also, one very amazing feature are the settings. With settings, you can pre-fill automatically some data from the generator for the WPTurbo AI. So you can define a function prefix, you can define text domain, you can define an author name or URL, and as you can see, you can define many things, and it will be used by default on all the code you generate on the WPTurbo. Okay, that's it. We made the tour of the WPTurbo. It's going to evolve pretty fast. So if you use the WPTurbo tools, don't hesitate to submit feedback in order to us to improve the whole project. Okay, it was Alex from the WPTurbo. Thanks for watching and see you soon on the WPTurbo. Cheers.